Hi there, today I want to tell about the CyberMiles project which recently carried out important updates, the launch of a testnet. But first, briefly about the project itself, about CyberMiles. When it comes to blockchain technology, there is no one-size-fits-all solution. What is more, every application protocol should have an optimized blockchain. CyberMiles knows this, and because of that, their main goal is to create a public blockchain. In addition, they will also build a platform which will use smart contracts. That that same platform will be used for e-commerce apps. The people behind CyberMiles have significant experience in open source software, and they know the importance of teamwork. Therefore, they aim to collaborate with others and eliminate the issues involving the platform lock-in, as well as build a larger network. Ethereum capability is essential, which is why they will make their blockchain platform fully compatible with it. Also, the platform has to agree with the Cosmos network requirements. That will allow the app developers to freely transfer crypto assets and the code across different blockchain. CyberMiles goals. They will have a platform which will be fully compatible with Ethereum. Also, it will be greatly optimized so that they can use it for e-commerce. The smart contracts platform will have many features, including different extensions like the virtual machine level and language level extension. Thus, the platform will be able to create and execute indicate e-commerce contracts. Users will be able to exchange the tokens on other blockchain. It's briefly about CyberMiles, and now we talk about the Travis testnet. Introducing to Travis. It's not a question of who but what. Travis is actually a code name and it is related to their first goal. Travis is the first version of the CyberMiles testnet, which is a powerful Ethereum alternative for e-commerce. Here are a few facts you should know about Travis. Travis has the necessary Ethereum capability. You can use it to run the apps and add Ethereum smart contracts, but unlike Ethereum, it is 100 times faster, which means that you will not have to wait too long for the transactions to go through. When it comes to safety, it easily beats Ethereum. CyberMiles has built a blockchain that can eliminate common Ethereum bugs. Those bugs include Ethereum lost or found, and similar issues have if that problem occurs. CyberMiles has a fix. They have an on-chain governance process which will recover the fund. How? By using community consensus and maintaining transparency at the same time. Unlike Ethereum, it will not make you go over your budget, and moreover, it is a user-friendly platform. CyberMiles blockchain avoids charging fees for common transactions without compromising the network's security. In white paper, you can see the comparisons with CyberMiles and Ethereum blockchain network, or you can see it in blog, but you can check it later. There is a comparison table about how CyberMiles works and Ethereum works. When you can start using it, it's about Travis. If you want to use the Travis testnet, you will have to wait until March. March is was yesterday. After the press event, the public will gain access to it. When it comes to validator nodes, this platform has 7 of them around the world. As the community grows, so will the number of nodes. That is because the validators have to go through a staking process which enables the community to select them. CyberMiles uses the open source model for its software, and you can get it from GitHub. One sec, I can see you GitHub. Here, Travis branch. You can see the last updates of this project, last descriptions, and also there is a common CyberMiles branch on GitHub, and you can see all project updates. And it's how you can see project is actively growing, and how you can see on the Travis branch last updates, and you check all last updates. GitHub is fully open. uh, how I said, CyberMiles uses the open source model for its software, and you can get it from GitHub. If you want, you are more than welcome to run a full node by yourself. Thus, you can become a validator candidate. But just like with any other software, scams and conflict of interest are common. Hence, the CyberMiles Foundation has come up with a vetting process that will sift through validators and prevent spam, network degradation, and false advertising. That way, the community will have the right information before making their choice. After the staking process, they will vote for the official validator. However, since Travis testnet is the first version, CyberMiles is not too strict about these rules just yet. So if you want to become a validator, all you have to do is contact them and ask. Future plans. Now, uh, once the Trails testnet launch, CyberMiles will start working on improving it. They will try to enhance the blockchain and bring it to another level. They aim to make it better than Ethereum. The first step is to build a virtual machine. That machine will be highly optimized and really to be used by more demanding customers. Its purpose is to support business contracts efficiently. In addition, the company also wants to implement Ethereum assets on the CyberMiles blockchain, but they don't want to complicate it or hard fork it. The aim is to do it cooperatively. That will allow the asset trade across many different blockchains. Uh, there is a great story behind the code named Travis. The company roots are in Texas, and William B. Travis was a Texas Revolution hero. A commander and Lieutenant Colonel Travis fought in the Battle of Alamo. Before he died, he wrote "Victory or Death." There is a very nice story about a codename Travis. And in conclusion, as you can see, CyberMiles is a very promising project which is actively developing and has a clear strategy. In my opinion, the team has all the prerequisites to become a real successful project, and you viewers advise you to pay attention to it. All good luck.